on your right hand side. Ohana muti free. Yes. Ene yebedi enkomo efa yensase the land. Yes, Mubekaya early, that's last week. The Minister of Lands, yes, Emma reports with regards to what is happening. Efa abayin sase. Apart from no, we have the issue that came up from the side of the judiciary. Almost, is it 98? Yeah, 98. Your friend saying percent of Timamufo mo krumha. Mo claim say your krata your day. I say Munsasi no. I say mo krata no could not even be verified as a genuine. Your friend say in krata. I say more. Until you usha yensasi nsem de krumha. Basa bebre yenim bibia edifa. Why? Because you are him for all momo and sase. You were individuals almost or more sase. And you were the air abayin so edia. Until whichever aspect you take, biano, there are issues. Why? Because we always don't want to do the right thing. And until ene yan kuma ebedi ewo emriwia at least some 40. They say about 10 yes 10 that's the being the 4th of the month of February 2026. And into yebedi enkomo efa yensase titiru de ewo nsawom adwajere. The one who is even in charge enchebiano yensabe kano because mikai mra yaji ni kwanta catch say everybody are engaged. But today we're going to look at the legal aspect of the ewo efa yensase ho. And into the obeboy elisa nkomo ya madam ADR officer nsawom adwajere bakope. Yes, Judith Ewa Asantewa. Madam Akwaba.
Yeah, here.
Eti unkache.
Ane.
I say office adwuma no yede nti no mpese we pie.
Sisi ase numbers ne bapa nti no. Yes, nti my
and from assistant.
Yes.
Nyame adwuma. Usuro say baby metina na air issue. Baby metina. Baby metina na.
Baby metina issue dey. O dey ba sisi adia nkomo na ebe dani o.
Ene ma me fa no nto nkyansa. Ne me ko nsase ho asem. Enu e dey ebe ka ho asem akiri.
Sa pepe.
Na ye ka ye nsase I don't know what is the Land Act 2020? That's Act 1036. What is it about? What can you tell us?
Okay, yeah, Land Act. Ansana mesha se no. Midinchi abema yentie for ene na me de asedan so ama onyankopon de ama baraka mpenimfo se omama ho akonya se ne yene mo bedi sa nkita ho. Ye kan Land Act na nyame adom yensa asinsem no enda ho sa akeke. Aban de hyehyeye ato akwan mu a ehye sa Land Act ya obosu ho ase. Enti yehwe Land Act 2020 Act 1036 na eka nyama bebre efa nsase ho. Enti no se wo wasase a e wo se ho se emra wo ho a ebo sa asase no ho eban. Na sa act no so ejina ho ehwe ma sa nyama ni nia etoto akwan mu. Ti se unya asase bi ho po issues now the court the sa act and obejina sa act no so yes the etwitwa age and so the year atu year into Land Act no e wo ho ema sa insemsemi afen so ye share before obi can sembio say in the days of your, that is in the olden days. I say nansa se wo ho bebre.
Enu kwa de be twama wa. Mancha no. Enu no ukwa info no ombe twama. There's no measure.
There's no measure.
The imiti ene say ometimi fa bo say no ma to be ebe kokoto bi ya no ohona na ka fiti ha ko.
Fiti ha ko ho. Nti nansa se ne wo ho bebre.
Na enshada nso ndoso. Ghana for so ne no.
Nti na ehun nsem enshada ndoso. Ba sisi ade.
Ba sambre no so na gidie wo ho. Gidie ni say the onipa kono a odi ma no so no uginu in with wholeheartedly.
Yes.
Nti ama mu nyina both side is more or less like win-win situation.
Win-win, yeah.
Unti say litigation be be aba. By next there, even with your cash, with all your facts, one hwe ya ho be kire.
Ho be kire. Enti sa nsɛmsɛmi na sa scarcity no ana ama ho kwan say ye the land act nti be hwɛ yie na ye na nkyɛ 2020 ya na omude samra no eba nti na je say before ne dey na esanse na ewo ho bebre ni nti no na ye hyeda nti ho nsɛmsɛm saa but sisi ane se ne akokoye ne dey na wo say ye de mra ebeto ho na ye hwɛ na ye di sankita ho nti obi be bisa say me koto asase ana se me wasase adan na ewo say menye nti ni nia mra no ewo musa nti wo be bisa say bi kra na okoto asase a de ne edikan ye wo se wo hwe ne se ye de wo be kwa asase ne so na wakwako hu asase ko a ye se ye ton ama wo
ba ebia me nimre na ebia WhatsApp ya ba ntini pa no se no an se
we be we twakra to phone so we video kama
ntino se nwe no anu na ma tua ne ka
enu de obi betumi akogina baby keke o ene online nyama ya ye hu there are so many
ogina hono no I say metimi locate baby o
betumi but wankasa ukona o de onan kosi asase no so abe feel say asase de no ne esi ye de ma me nanu nie
say flat to say straight to
say wa people so ni nia ube hu na watumi ehu ne obetumi di asase na because asase ni bi wo bia bia e da ne kora no ne opese bia ode ye no e bia oba akohwe no na untumi find this adwuma die no ana enti no so ukona akohwe you are safe. You are safe and that's the best thing to do. I think so kwa na wa hwe ne wo hu e bia se ye e ma 10 plots a wahwe say measurement no say na ti ana dimensions no be no untumi fa wani keke fa hu nti no ye be koye nim ne ye hu ne obetumi aboa ma wo hu sa dimensions ni nia na afei de wa bomoden apɛ ana we bisa ne ode asase ne ma wo no site plan.
Okay, edika unye ntua no
obetumi ebisa.
Okay,
because unye tua you have committed yourself. If any say e bi asase ne aton ma nipa be 10 ana se nipa ahodo bebre a no one just site plan a untumi fa nkodi dwuma bi a wo pese wodidi site plan ye nje keke fa nkoto dem ye je e de call lands commission e ko bisemu e ko bisa se as I see ye say 10 plots e bia ye genuine na se e bia obi fufro endi kan toye ana ye nton ma obi fufro ya na you need to know all these things and sana why certain commitment.
Mami bisa no and sana maba me substantive question. Recently miti say na miti wase na aba.
Okay.
If nipa wato assassin no any the auto assassin
no. Okay.
And also mi ko enkrata no ntino wonye tua dada. Ntino watua part I be watua bi. And also and the edin be na wa assassin so because afi na mi ko investigation but say so far as me ni wa hyase amama commitment no ma mi odin na mi ko nhwe mu hwe se eno ana ho na o se da bi o se wa ko e nhwe mu
oh de ko nhwe mu bro man nkrata ye so say me gidi say for some time now no ya pene so ama nyame bi akoso. Some cases be by menim concerning this land issues oba na we bisa no si mi ji nipa ni die enam ebia enam obi so na wokohu ni oton asase na mo si na mi wogidie wo say nipa kro yi mu nti ana mi tua say sika no but it shouldn't be that case. It was said the laid down procedure e wo ho no ye follow ana even your oton asase na ma no e was so to me ma site plan so onim say ye genuine and say yet to say e was say butuye ni ni ansa na mama site plan na say me tua me committee me hu wie na say ne ode ama me no
in fact last Friday madam for bako ejuma I don't even need to mention where he's working and on so no ne yire akoto asase na ne yire beto asase no ansa na ne yire beto asase no they got to know about the land because nipa oto asase no o the kind be two imam a whole imam of a community and him say nsasi abaya mama nsasi ntini mpese mi ton ntino member one plot hwe na imam nso because of ono no nso no he doesn't deal with those issues no one plot no feel say ya de bibia ma afi imam na ebo dowuro o man say mo no preach ya no abo dowuro na enkofo rasha koto nsasi sese madam fo ya o mi kan ono no problem ni say sese o mo sorry ase o mo ko ye bibi o assassin so no assassin wura se da bi enya de obepiri
sisi ade
and eventually it has been turned into sao kanu the same thing and then say or see the GDN and say imam pa can say me there or no him say there is nothing that will be about assassination and yenekure because imam na okay emfa ho say why the most important thing is for kwan say
Mrano yes e was so dim Mrano so and omo ton assassination kra ma no omo nim say Mrano sa na etie but bia no so peso bia odo fa kwan bone so nti no o se yan ye ni say obi onim say sa kwan ne kran nya kwan papa so ana e de fa so enya asase nti no o de call lands commission no mo search ya e be treo transactions akoso was asase ne so nyina there was one bia ye ko check here there was a particular case so e ba meni ye check here no na there was a declaration on the land. Then it came
declaration means what?
Ebia na star area no ye declaration to a particular person. And I say
tribe and I say
yes say we asasi we dey yomo dia yes
okay that's by the court
yes
okay
by the court yes nti Ibia is not always that there's a declaration before anything other else but
maybe there are issues on it
yes
and then there's
history na what Sunina there was bakubia na it has moved on from different people until the very person na all ton assassin no enti ubo hu say ni all ton assassin na ma on say ono ni din na etwa to a then you can verify say ni all ton ma me no ono ana assassin ye ne dia enti you are safe but if I say bia me Judith me ton assassin ama me ton asase ama but ukọ search and we hu me din wo hu bia kwame menu edin wo so a e wo se hu se enye no oni that right oni power to sell that land to you until we say we are very careful because the search will bring that thing out
but the search no is that the final like the search be no it means there is nothing contrary to that per what you are saying
yes per the lands
okay
act in idea that is the implication of it
okay
it was say ni oton assassin amount ono ni din na it was search because ono na the law would deem say or yet the rightful owner of the land and to say yeah but at types of like lands, acquiring land now once you do individual now you be the aspect of it if it has to do with an inheritance near adin na ube like the person you be jump to that one and who they call land commissioner na so mo search na it was say this history ni na what to me I verify say ampa ni oton then you take a surveyor to the land that is say bia e pepepa na fe the one ma surveyor akọ na akwa hwe say you say a two plot e bia 70 by 100 see ade o mate so kakra
obia omugo suti so
enti sa dimension na surveyor no so aboa wa plot ne pepepe per the dimensions on the site plan no na che se bibia aye kama
na nsasi ya ye kan nsasi o krum ha aban kwa na won nsasi ada
okay enti ye kan nsasi e wo ye Ghana man mu a enya aban kwa na ebetimi owning land ye were individuals betimi owning ye was tools I betimi owning and ye were families families can also own lands and to say about government and I say state lands now it's only the lands commission who have the right to act on behalf to sell a state land
commission
yes and say there are some people who are almost sit down or buying there's a procedure you have to go through otherwise a drum ra aban say Ojinadia. Obejinade. I think recently there has been this issues around almost a Chado. Chado area, Microphones in Dining. Those places are for the state. You know, so ubu eni guso. Nasa what's na ho. Na wan kwanko ye ne wo se wo ya.
Frankly speaking, say me catch your development eko so Ghana Atomic Energy. On daily basis. This time round, when the new government came in now, at least they've done well because most of the buildings, you know, baby, easy. But still, no, you could see up, yeah. Others also see very speedy. Within a week, we be going to or you know, also has been demarcated because when say atomic, you know, is more sensitive. These radios and this, friends saying. Research near more it has implication, you know.
Yes.
And yeah, any ebe possible say ebe manipa akotina ana ben those places because of the explosion.
Explosion.
But unfortunately, kind omaji ohonyina enkofusia no musi.
Oh say ebi oho na free omo ton asase na omo si omo ya asase ruafo no. Ana ni ono so kwota asase no so nye na sede due diligence because we due diligence now when you say where a state land there's a procedure you have to go through. There's a procedure. And no maybe dako ye bepe time na ya how to handle those state lands near there's a procedure you have to go through. If indeed the state saying that okay me nye hwe wa ha na ye de be mamwa. Yes, there's a court lands commission to regularize your stay or whatever you are doing there. Na ebiasa ekwan wo hosa ye de amaw and I say because they give you ownership, full ownership and all that.
Animal research name.
That area, yes.
It's like it's meant for this fencing farming
research and yes.
But I say the alcohol I don't even believe
it's very heartening. It's very, very heartening. Any omunyo obi nso omu kase asasi we ye dia. Na ya ton ama. Ye ma o site plan, ye ma hwe, ye ma indenture. Enso no akwakotua ho ka.
You see one aspect
now
of this.
They give them this notion that sidan no ye ntumi nya hwe. So that's what is happening.
Say about so say aban so a. Let's say the whole place have been developed. How possible?
It depends. That's what I'm saying. That unse what they call lands commissioner. There's a process they'll go through.
Because it might be illegal.
Yes.
It might be an illegality.
Yes.
But baby, you do not need panel live there for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Na aban ben kwa na ope vote. Obet me abe 2000 crofin nyina. That's the issue.
It depends.
Wow.
Because child for so almost there was this woman who was interviewed or say otina ho nyene.
Wow.
Or see initially kwane mu yedin. Ana o maye akaka na o mesi edru baby. O mu ni baby akọ. Like
but I sometimes me feel say be a kwan fa so etwi nkrofa so no it's not appropriate because say be a bubu dan no kwana nipa na e fa no so na nkrata ana o ma san nkrofu permit ni nyina no they should be followed. Especially aban edwumayefo at those times no mama ho kwan because there's no possible it's not possible say bia see dan and I say bibi no say omunhu ya na so omunhu because every municipality every assembly bia no they know their
and even they take permits from these assemblies and all that. So if you know that there's something going on here that is a state land, why do you allow you give permits for people to continue
because
building?
Most people because of illiteracy you know so far as bia oni nkrata or assassin so but so far as you are back actually say so who ton bibi wa ha say ag permit ECG wa kwaji na ono no use those things as a basis say aban kwa nim say aha na me na meti ha because me tua electricity bill me tua water bill me tua for permit ni na si for ntino why use eno no as the basis even though one nkrata or assassin so
it's very serious. It's very, very serious.
Okay, so apart from state,
you call individuals and so it's individuals and so it to me only land and normally no say you funny say only pani inherit land now. There should be a vested asset from ebi a probate na bibisa no to show say oh asasi ya wele ama asimesi
Okay,
sisi ane din
okay.
ewo asasi we so
Okay.
all those documents have to be met and sana wo individual aka say we be asasi we ye media na metumi aton ama another person and as say so if those documents are genuine and wo akwakoto asase no nipa ne say me masase a na bia me papa ana me wofa ana de ma me a ebra owu ana owu ye ana bibisa na e wo say utumi gisa ana wo pe sankrata ifi sa onipa ne ho ehu se yenye yankasa sometimes I ask myself that why is that inkofo bi buo mani gu so bi o how say madam me na me nim we nyina o but man ye I don't know whether it's because of the price at which the lands are being sold to them at and ebia emma ombuo mani gu so
and I say yeah but ebia
ebi o go say na onipa ne se ne ho a kire no enti opesike bi enti na wo say oton sa asase no enti wankwa nkohwe say oton asase na ma wo no ebia ono ni din na wo so na nya ono ni din na wo so. There's one widow who is chasing her land. And it's serious. And the issue is around the same thing. Also onipa na oton ama ne say ne ho a kire no enti na ono so pese oboa and it's not really the right thing to do. Then we come to the stool lands. It's okoto asase na
stool land means area
ahemfo de it's okoto stool land okoto land no nipa ne say is stool land it was say occupants of the stool no so ohene no oye ono na owo ho kwan so obeton asase no no enye ono nko anso na ebeton. He does that with the principal elders of the stool. It say bi ohene bi si oton asase amawa it was say the principal elders no mo inkonya ne ho no etumi ka ho bi ana they should be aware say yeton asase we ya eden amaw and also assembly by me nim sir is a stool land and they ahoju he ya enti ne oton man no ye sa ahemfo nketwa ne bi ana oton asase no e ma asimesi Joton man na later we see that ne roofing cry we are just say obekwa ne pension na just say waba betina ne fie afede ye two ohene no one him say the person was this two I don't know what happened and a new person ebetina ohene for by or by or say me so me de me maraba that's I say na see me sit on ma mu nyina no
everybody will have to come and pay.
Yes, come and pay again and I say and they were given things to bring and they snap ne say odwan ne ade nyinara e was so mo present ade no ansana omo allow we say omo ntina asase no so and unfortunately for this person no your ton asase ne man no omi so yeah I say he's into selling the lands inappropriately or no ankasa hye ne ho na waton without the
notice of
the other people who are stakeholders in it. And that means it's wrongful selling. And I'm so near two na there so he was distulled. It's a fair distilling omo waton asase mo nyinara issues. So ukwakoto asase na onipa ne catch say stool lander, making sure said the occupant, the chief is aware, and then principal members as well. And sana wakako make commitment. Which you sika. Ti misremo.
Wow.
As I see be wakako to be ye wo obia o onisa. Inti say state you should know what to do. Individual you should know what to do. Stooler me patrol. Occupants away and then principal members. Then it brings us to the family land. And also ebusuan penny and head of the family and a year in charge with the principal members. A year ebusuano members omo ebusuani no. Inti ukwa kotosa asase we say obi semu say oh it is saying a family land and okay ebusuapani no ni din wo ho ana say ebusuapani ne ya aware ana bibisa nti won say normally in the indenture and all that they have columns for such people to sign and all that nti no pacho yenye due diligence yenye ne wo say ye kwakoto asase ase na be asanse nsem ye de ba legal aid e de kokoti nyina etu betwa kakra Nijidi say yes sir omo ton no munim say ne omo ye na wrong no they also know
but who say processing is
the right thing to do
processing is no straightforward. For example, me to asase.
Okay.
Na say bia nipa na beto asase no so ohene e bia sub chief. But ohene na kasa me nim no.
Okay.
Inti no nipa no so a oton no minim say ohene de me ogide say but say me to no.
Okay.
Fa nkratasem de say nyina no so no because of ohene that alone is an assurance. To me. And that's what I believe most people
he should be in the known.
Yes,
he should be in the known.
Yeah.
Say ye ton asasi we ye da hasi ama asimisi. And he should consent to it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I was say
he has to sign.
Yes, he has to sign. Enti I was say nya abotre ne yes sir. Nya sir. Some investment na wo say wo invest in no. At the long run no it will amount to nothing.
The minimum cry
because you'll be going to court every time.
Yeah.
To argue it out.
There is a place I know where they had this similar issue. And but I said two sides, two divided family. They are from the same root but divided.
Oh, okay.
And we and I said those who were claiming
there are such issues, yeah.
They were going to court. The other side is until eventually along the line they win the case in their favor.
Okay.
Omo monton no. Afi omo wini ye na omo nya ba ya omo fredom sada no na mi ho ankasa. Ene ko ho.
Okay.
And omo say okay from eneko. Omo asasi su nyina reselling. Uncle for sisi omo they been living there for so many years. And they also know because omo ton omo ti say in some assassin so.
So I was who are value to them. How see reselling? Who the nyame has supposed to see reselling? Ebi wo ko baka just say yento intine wa he osu bia bubu no. You are lucky they said reselling. Who must go hoto bio? Assassin na wato echi aka no. You go and buy it again. And see sometimes you know say yeah to assassin e kran. E betumi dey asokra to form. You can be asking if it's a family
even
land
neighbors,
for instance. Yes. Ebi asasi bi ben odi ebi is for another family. You can go there and be doing some enquiries. Ube to me bisa. I investigation but normally no. Aya yen pese ye be ye adwuma no. Obi oho ni obi beko se na ye di kan o se an migi nipa ko ni di timi de o kan obi o kra oti baby na wa send this ska Who say at the long run no. Why nye wadwuma yi? Why nye wadwuma yi? Nti se hu semba e wo say obey
na nkrata fame no so about insassin so quite often so do na I say oh insassin me call register me call lands commission or and am we bibia mame the other side who is contending you also said me so nkrata no how possible can you have 2 or 3 people having document on the same land? How possible?
I don't think that a particular land no will have 2 documents.
Really?
Yes. There would be an original one. Yes. And there will be a fake one. And see, and I say,
be a time I'm processing in
okay.
Nipana no way be any mamma. And son of the crack and buy a moon signing we at the BBR.
And see, and I make her say, won't say, Onipa no do any more de work on, and says, would you need it totally?
Okay.
And says, would you need it totally? I was saying, so yeah, background checks. Now, yeah, was so yeah. I think so, Nankane Papemua. We have to outsource lawyers when we are buying land.
Okay, good.
Because omona say be a site plan in po na say be a indenture ne ehun krata sembia no omun no won nimdie. So they will be able to tell you that assassin way bra you careful. Maybe I will say. Because omono they are in the business, they are in the job. They can be able to tell you. Sometimes when you go to the lands commission or most of the times no, and that is the normal thing to do. But to me, I inquiry or land.
Okay.
You can write a letter, formal letter, tell them that maybe I also as way what say. Person who say is it genuine or not. You can also ask the Lands Commission and follow up.
But those ones that they come with money, some commitment.
Yes, now which is kakakra. Yes. Because this can now bet you and it to be better than the other back shas as now kwakuti.
And in asem no. I said you don't know so yes is can was
better. Better.
God.
Better. Unim se wo japade wo baby nso na enye japade biasa. Afen so ne oton asase na ma on e wo se utumi verify any identity ye.
Yeah.
Say asemesi na menini dealing on no one din e wo document na. Me ebi asase ne document ne so.
Na
se ba ne boa bebre.
Na se ba ne se bia individual anye se family person na ba ne se bia on papa na e japade no na oni papa na edi nkita ho ansa na ebia mu wie na wewu nti see no so wewu no so certainly japade they share it among the siblings.
Okay.
I don't know whether you get the report of what I'm saying.
Yes.
Now omochicha, now the one who is going to own that portion where you are buying no, how would the documentation be? Because as we speak, the name of the land is in favor of the father. And as I say, also I'm processing in his name before giving you. And how did that it?
Normally, no. Say, papa no na unim sa uni ne didn't and it was so. Sometimes we are a bit safe.
Okay.
But then if it goes to that development, say be only pan in tiasia. Na se o de ama ebi aneba kweku. Na kweku na according to the will no. Unse me boss kakra
that portion.
Yes. There should be a vested assent say ebi asisi akweku na odi adie ewa hase and I say or taking charge of this land ane papa jaye no. Enti ono kweku no ebetumi akọ Lands Commission to do those processes and then thereafter no, if he has to continue with you, it will continue. If not, then you know what to do. But initially no, say oshwesa nyama we nyina na bibia ye okay. Now you have to pay. Ebi a site plan bibia ye fine. Edi no e woso ne no bibia ye kama. Na wutua ebi a part payment. Receipt e de be ma wo no. E was all making sure say edi no e woso.
Okay.
Like at least udin ewo receipt no, so then amount na wutua ene was so say be a full payment, part payment ya specify wo receipt no so. And see after the receipt, that is o site plan bibia ye come out unim say asemesi na ton amount wait ye bibi. After the receipt you can start something on the land. Wait me blocks now but so I be a foundation be now you can start. That is only pana agreement. Then you can start. Then later you do the other payments or whatever. And son be cry processes of indenture. I'm awako signing. Then later I'll be registered.
The signing okay, madam. What signing sa? Who says say signing so it to hosika.
Mate pan. Yes, witnesses so said the crab sign. There was a utia hosika ni ade. As I
said. Who tono? Who assassin for signing.
Yes.
I want to say na nipa na mi to ade no ono na ogisika no wa gisika na bi afi obe signing krata no ama yakọ search ya bibie wie na
sometimes kra ni ode obekọ assassin so kra be ka cho say say ye de okọ assassin so kra wo say utie bibi
no ka de ntase ho kakra because ono o kire kwan kire ni de e say ogi bibi ba de mi ntia se e chi adwun kakra ni say nipa na medisika ema no say busua o say individual o say aban o nkrata nyina no so no and the normal circumstances kan no o say o krata no mami but because I want to make sure